New Braunfels, landscape watering accounts for up to 70% of residential water usage each year. The easiest way to reduce this water usage is to learn how to properly program your irrigation controller and set run times for what's most appropriate for your landscape. This video will explain how to program a RainBird ESP-TM2 controller. First, the correct date and time will need to be set. Using the dial, rotate one click to the right to select the date time function. The numbers indicating the day should appear flashing on the screen. Use the plus or minus buttons to change the date. Then use the forward arrow button to select the month setting. Once again, use the plus or minus buttons to set the correct month and repeat this process for the year setting. To set the time, press the forward arrow once more to bring up the time. Once selected, the time should appear with the hour field blinking. Using the plus or minus buttons, set the hour. Be advised that cycling past 12 o'clock will determine if it is AM or PM. Press the forward arrow button to move to the minutes field and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust. If you would rather set your timer to a military 24-hour format, press the forward arrow again to toggle between the two settings. The time is now set. To create a watering schedule, start by rotating the dial one click to the right to select the start times function. For this example, we will set it for Monday and Thursday at 10 minutes per zone. To achieve this, cycle through the Programs button and ensure that there is only one start time in Program A. For this example, set the start time to 3 a.m. Use the plus or minus arrows to adjust the time. Once the first zone has been set, use the forward arrow button to cycle through the remaining zones to set them as well. Use the Program button to ensure there are no other start times in Programs B, C, or D. Finally, turn the dial one click to the right to enter the Run Days function of the controller. With the dial turned to Monday, notice that the screen has displayed the days of the week with a water droplet under each day the controller is set to water. Using the arrow and plus/minus buttons, select the days you have designated the sprinklers to run. Our example will leave Monday and Thursday active. Once again, ensure that there are no selections made in the alternate programs. Note that when a change has been made to the watering day, the controller will automatically advance to the next day. If you have a rain sensor, be sure to verify that the rain sensor function is active on your irrigation controller. Turn the dial to the sensor function. If the screen displays bypass, you will want to press the plus/minus buttons to switch the sensor to active. The controller is now set. To explore the rest of the functions offered by the RainBird ESP-TM2, visit RainBird's website linked in the description. As a reminder, the City of New Braunfels has year-round watering restrictions that prohibit water waste, the use of a sprinkler system between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m., and require that all sprinkler systems be equipped with a rain sensor. For more information on how to be efficient with your lawn sprinkler system, call 830-608-8925 or visit our website, nbutexas.com/conservation.